have faced up to 40 degrees Celsius temperature at the track, and this was very hard for us to deal with. This whole period, our Chinese training director with us were also with us. They spared the same tough situations. We have got some brilliant trainers from China, and they trained us well. With this project, our brother country China have provided us all the facilities and all the knowledge. Our trainers, our Chinese personnel have provided us all the technical knowledge related to that project. And now in future, if we have another project like related to MRT, then is another chance that we can handle that project also.
Today I am having my first experience, maiden experience in this state-of-the-art public transportation facility that is engineered by Pakistani and Chinese engineers. So really grateful for this marvelous project, because people in Pakistan, they have never experienced in past such a good project especially for in transportation section for general public.
Thank you, China. Like, this is amazing. I have no words. I'm out of words. And I wish I had my friends here so we all could enjoy together. And I'm really thankful to China.